guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you have already subscribed, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I turn this closet into a pantry. Before we start, I know I wanted some bright light. So I'm going to install some light, and this light is a 5500 Kelvin and it is very bright. After I installed the light, I went along and cleaned the closet out and take everything out. After that, I took away the frame. The reason why I'm taking away the frame is because those doors that were in this closet prior, they were sliding doors. And what I want to have double side doors. So I'm going to remove all the frame and do some good cleaning. And also take out 1 inch out of each of the folding doors so I can have the right shape for the double side doors. Before that, I went to Home Depot to pick out the shelf. And yes, at Home Depot, you can pick out wood and have them cut it for you so you can have the shelf size that you want for your pantry. One thing I'm going to say, guys, in this video, we are not professional. This was our first time doing this. I also watched some other YouTube video and thought that I had a bright ideas on how I could turn a closet into a pantry. So if you see anything that doesn't look professional, please understand we are not professional. So we just went and winged it so that we could have a walk-in pantry that we like. So while I was at Home Depot, I also picked up a circular saw because we needed to trim 1 inch out of each of the sliding doors so that we could turn them into a double side doors. So this is me doing the work, and that was my first time using a circular saw as well. So this is us trimming 1 inch out of each door so we can have the doors as double-sided doors. And instead of using wood for the frame of the shelves in the pantry, we decided to use some shelf bracket. We decided it was easier to do because we didn't want to mess things up. So we were going to be using some shelf bracket for the pantry. And this is us measuring the shelves that we have already cut it to make sure they fit properly. And we have added the shelf bracket in there. After adding the shelf bracket, we added the shelves in there so we could make sure that the measurement is correct. After that, we are going to take them out and we are going to fully paint this closet white and beige. I decided I wanted the door white. However, inside the closet, I also wanted it white and I wanted the shelves white as well, but I wanted the perimeters beige. Reason for that is because we are also planning on painting the whole house, so we wanted to be sure that the closet also matched the whole house. So this is what the doors look like, and they look so good. I was so happy. I got these labels from Amazon, and I also have these containers from the TikTok store. However, you can find them from Amazon as well. So I have already painted the pantry and it's been like 2 days, so I let it dry fully. And now I'm just arranging everything. I put all my groceries, pasta, my dry goods, and put everything in these containers, and I also put the labels on top as well. And my goal for this pantry is I wanted to have a shelf for snacks as well. And I love it. This is the before, this is the after. I love it. Everything looks so organized. Everything has a label on it. Now when I'm going to the grocery store, I know what I am looking for. And also I have the time to declutter everything and throw away things that are expired. I love these containers. You can also find them on Amazon. I'll make sure to have the link below. As I mentioned earlier in this video, guys, we are not professional. I had a $200 budget and I feel like I nailed it. If you like this video and you have not subscribed to my channel, please remember to subscribe. If you have any questions, suggestions, please make sure you put them in the comment below. I would love to hear your feedback, and thank you guys so much for watching this video. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Cooking made easy.